and your hair goes blowing up in a flame. Okay, now watch what happens to the sodium chloride. Tell me what happens to it.
It's plenty. It's starting to melt.
Yeah, it's turning a little bit lighter.
Now, you think it's melting. I don't think it's melting.
It's not.
It's starting to go
No,
down.
it looks like it's melting.
No,
Really.
it's turning lighter.
That was me.
I see both. Is it expanding and burning?
Well, she sees some water water vapor.
Yeah,
like
it's turning into liquid.
It's turning to a liquid. Does that usually
Looks
mean
like
it's
bubbles.
melting?
No.
Do you see bubbles?
It's boiling.
yeah, I see
That's
that.
the key.
Chemical change.
It's
Bubbles
jealousy.
indicate what?
Chemical
I
change.
said it
So
first.
you think
I
it's
said it
losing
first.
oxygen?
No.
No, I don't see anything coming out from the top. Like there's no.
Yeah, but oxygen.
Oxygen is
Okay.
invisible.
Okay.
I see that
30
there are
more
bubbles
minutes.
in the liquid.
You're talking about vapor. Usually you can see that steam.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Is it boiling?
Now, I'm going to prove to you that the
No,
oxygen
not
is
yet.
escaping. Like she said, Herrera.
Because the bubbles, because bubbles are made out of oxygen, so once
like
they,
No,
Sprite.
bubbles are made of gases.
you should be
Anytime you see a bubble,
So once the bubbles pop,
I bet this
is it just
Sprite.
kind of releasing oxygen
This one.
into?
well, that's her hypothesis, yes.
I don't want to.
And you should be seeing a lot of activity there.
How
You
about
think
it's
it's just a
falling
physical
down?
state. I'm going to show you it's not a physical state. Okay, now you need to back off.
Back off.
Back up. Come on, y'all. Black girl front. Excuse me.
Now, did I get all the liquid done? Yes. And you see there's lots of bubbles there. Lots of them. So, I'm going to put this wood in it.
Excuse me.
Yes, my child. Grow. Grow.
It's poison.
It's alive. Yes, yes, yes.
It sounds like
You do. We have smoke detectors, right?
I would back off.
You should have let me take a picture.
No, I would back off.
Done and done.
Back up,
It sounds like, hey guys, have you ever seen like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, the animated version? It sounds like the wind.
Yeah, it does.
We'll talk about that in a minute.
You are so dangerous.
That's awesome.
Yep.
That's why it smells like nothing in Pookie.
It's yellow.
Because we was
Not the
burning
white.
things.
Now, I want you to look at what's at the bottom now.
I could taste it. It tastes nasty.
Come on, baby. It's alive. Yes, it's alive. Grow.
All right.
Don't go that fast. Yes, yes. Now this is a.
You're really scaring me. Like I'm
Set off the
scared your
halos.
hand is just gonna be like
This is a
pure.
lab that a teacher told me, showed me, that you do wrong. This is not the way you're supposed to be doing the lab. But it's much more fun this way.
I'm gonna set off the halos. Is it?
Now, here's my question. Look what's inside.
Sprinklers, right?
Yeah, the
I'm
halos.
scared because it might go.
Now, what's inside the test tube now?
Liquid, froth, and a little bit of char, I guess.
No, it's more than that. Let me see if I can show you inside.
Oh, it's okay.
Oh,
Okay, everyone wants to take a look.
Don't get hurt.
I see it. It's all like ash.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
No, that's the wood. Look further.
I don't want to be that kid that gets like an explosion in the face.
Right.
I know I really can't see down
The
there.
like glare of the light still in my eyes.
Hang on a second.
Oh, yes, there is.
Can I see? It's all stuck to the wall.
Yeah, what is it?
Is it powder? Wait a minute.
What color is it?
It's white. It's
white.
Is it back?
Can Cammy see?
Wait, but why did it do that to the wood?
That's what we're going to talk about in a minute.
Is it sodium?
Now, this is sodium what?
Is it sodium chloride? Like,
No, we started with sodium chloride. You said, is it sodium chloride again? Let me answer that question. I'm glad you answered that. Now look. Well, we don't say sodium chlorine. We call it what?
Sodium chloride.
No, we started with sodium chloride. Now, how long did it take sodium chloride to melt?
about 30
5,
seconds.
6, 7 seconds.
About seconds, right?
Yeah.
Now watch this. It's such a very temperamental
You guys aren't
little
gonna
thing.
die. Fire. Oh no.
Now, it took just seconds, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna watch.
Do we need to back up?
Maybe.
Nah, I'm good.
Okay, here you go.
Come on, Alejandro, you're part of this.
Now, somebody record the time.
You
Yeah.
guys will watch with him. Looking food. There's a clock right here.
Now, it was 25 seconds when the other one did it, right? Almost immediately, it melted. How much time is it taking now?
Why'd it do that?
It's
Because some of the sodium chloride is still not reacting.
Yeah, okay.
And it's starting to react with the wood. Okay, do you see it disappearing like it did before?
No.
This solid has a different what?
Ooh, it smells like Christmas.
It smells like
It's
Christmas.
a different composition because it has a different what property?
The ability to.
Now, what's the name of the specific name of this property?
I don't remember.
When a solid changes to a liquid, is it what?
Is it
When a solid changes to a liquid, it's called what?
internal or
Thank you. Melting. The melting point was it? I thought you said something else. Sorry. It's a melting point. They have different melting points. This is not the same solid. Are you listening?
Yes.
Now, here's my question. Some of you have already said it. We had sodium, chlorine, and oxygen together. They formed sodium chlorate. We saw a gas. What gas came out?
Oxygen.
Well, let's look first. You got sodium, chlorine, and oxygen, right? Could the chlorine be the one that came out?
Yes.
Yeah.
Could,
So
but
did we
no,
separate them?
because chlorine is dangerous to us. Chlorine gas will hurt us. Okay? Now, people say, so people say, but what's in this swimming pool? The swimming pool is a compound. A compound, totally new substance. That's what's in there. So I hate it when people say, oh, chlorine's in it. No, it's not. It's a compound. The chlorine in it. Okay? So, but chlorine is a gas and it's not good for us. Okay, so it could be chlorine. Could it be sodium?
No.
No, because sodium is a what? Solid. It's a solid and it's a metal. So that wouldn't happen. So the only one it could have been is oxygen. So oxygen took off. How do we know that oxygen took off? What was the evidence?
The bubbles.
Because of the bubble.
The bubbles.
And one other thing. What happens in the presence of oxygen when you have a flame?
Fire.
It ignites.
Fire. It ignites. And then the
That's
wood
why
ignites.
fire would catch. Yes.
Yeah, the wood ignited. Matter of fact, the last period, when I put it right here, the wood started burning.